Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to make your username on Discord invisible. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, you can actually do this via the Discord app if you have it downloaded, or you can do it on the web-based app. It works perfectly fine either way. In this example today, I'll be doing this via the web. What I'm going to do is open up a new browser and come across to discord.com. And then I'm just going to go ahead and log into my account. And once you're logged in, what you need to do is just click onto the settings icon, which is down here in the bottom left-hand corner. And then what we're going to do is just click the edit button, which is next to our username. And what I'll do is I'll leave this in the video description. But if you copy and paste from the video description down below into the username box, you have something that looks like this. And then what you need to do is just go ahead and enter your Discord password. And then just go ahead and click done. And once you've done that, you see that's gone invisible. And if I go back, and you can see that my username is now not showing, that's gone invisible. So I hope you found that helpful. And if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go ahead and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.